Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Business Under Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 28, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Second kid. 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 8. Column G, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Third row we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Fifth grade. We have 4 and 8. 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 6, 7. We will confirm later. 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. 2 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row and column C we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 8. Third row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column G we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. 3 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H and column J we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 7. Column I also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I and column J we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 4th row also we have 7. So can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 5th row and 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 7th row we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. then 2 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 194. 10th row and 9th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 9th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, then 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Eighth row or 9th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 1 and 9, it can't come in these cells, then 1 and 1 9 will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here. We can confirm 3 also here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 8th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, and 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 8th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Ninth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6, 9. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third row and 4th row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8, so 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells. Column H, column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 4. 4th row, we have 1 and 6, so 1 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then remaining 4 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. Column C, we have 1 and 4, so 1 and 4 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells. In this grade, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, then 4 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 6, 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9. 6th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come any one of the cells. In this grid, we have 4, So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. In this grid, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. Sixth row, we have 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. Seventh row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Sixth row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Seventh row, we have 5. 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column C, we have 3. So 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column C, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.